Hello everyone, I hope you enjoy this video inspired your look from Miss Catriona Gray, Miss Universe Philippines 2018. Thank you! So, ang una kong ginamit dito mga girlies is a primer from Stila. It's a one-step corrector skin tone correcting and brightening primer siya. I highly recommend this. Good siya for dry skin since dry skin naman ako. Maganda siya kasi natatakpan niya yung mga redness sa mukha and yung mga dark circle, ganyan. So, Gora, gamitin nyo na to. So, dito naman, dalawa yung products na ginamit ko which is from Hourglass at saka yung isa from Laura Mercier. They're both tinted moisturizers and actually good coverage siya ha, in fairness. So, maganda rin siya for dry skin. Pero, yung formula niya guys is para na ring foundation even though na tinted moisturizer lang siya. O, diba? Good coverage siya. So, yung sa under eyes ko naman, yung mga ginamit ko, dalawang product din siya. It's from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Tapos, yung isa is Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. Yung sa Smashbox, medyo slightly lighter siya kaysa dun sa color nung concealer ko sa Maybelline na ginamit. So, pinag-mix ko silang dalawa. Wala naman siyang problem. So, the next step is the contour. And ang ginagamit kong product is from KKW, the contour stick. In the shade medium siya. Maganda siya for dry skin. Wala akong problema. I've been using this for a long time na din. And all the time. And napakadali niya ring i-blend guys. Yung contour powder ko naman, it's from Smashbox. And ito yung lagi ko rin siyang ginagamit. So, maganda siya. So, after ko maglagay ng contour cream, lagi kong siniset ng contour powder after. And ito naman, one of my favorite products din na lagi kong ginagamit to set sometimes my under eyes or the whole face is itong Laura Mercier brightening powder. And ito naman, bago ko siyang product na ginagamit and this is the first time na ginamit ko siya and super napakaganda niya sa face. Napaka-natural glow. So, kukunin ko lang ulit yung Smashbox contour powder tapos i-contour ko lang yung nose ko using the same powder. And then, here, yung ginagamit ko na blush is from Makeup Forever. And it's in the shade S310. As you can see, nilalagay ko lang yung blush sa high part ng cheekbones ko. Kasi yung look ni Catriona Gray, dun lang sa high parts ng cheeks niya yung blush niya. Tapos, gagamitin kong bronzer is from Physician Formula. Super ganda rin nito. So, kasi yung look ni Catriona is medyo bronzy. I did my best kasi medyo fair skin tayo. So, tinatry ko maging medyo tan ng onte with this look. So, for the eyebrows, the product that I use is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and it's in the shade dark brown. So, medyo sabog kasi yung eyebrows ko. So, I just made like a simple eyebrow look lang. So, yung look ni Catriona, hindi siya masyadong naglagay ng highlight, napansin ko sa mga picture. So, dito, natural lang tayo. Ang ginamit ko is from Becca. And etong shade is called Opal. Super natural lang na highlighter. So, dito, ang gagamitin kong palette is from Tarte, and it's called Tartelette Tease. And we're gonna try to do yung smoky eyes ni Catriona Gray. So, the first shade that I used was called Whisper, and nilalagay ko lang siya all over the eyelids. So, the next shade that I'm using is called the Heartbreaker. And i-sweep lang natin siya sa cut crease ng eyes natin. Tapos, i-blend lang natin siya. So, blend lang, girl, para hindi ka magmukhang may black eye. And then, I'm gonna take the color Crush and the color First Kiss, and then ipipress on ko lang siya sa eyelids ko. So, kukunin ko ulit si Heartbreaker and dadagdagan ko siya sa may outer lid ko, para mas madagdagan yung smoky look. So, sa eye makeup ni Catriona Gray, medyo may pagka dark purple siya ng onte. So, ginamit ko yung color called BFF sa palette. And then, ilalagay ko lang ulit siya sa may outer lid ng eyes and i-blend ko siya. So, blend lang ng blend. Ginagamit ko yung the power of blending. Then, kinuha ko ulit si Heartbreaker and then ilalagay ko lang siya sa may lower lashes natin. So, this is the look so far. And then, kumuha ko ng isa pang palette. And this one is from Urban Decay. And, so, hindi pa ako na-satisfy sa pagka-purple ni BFF. So, kinuha ko yung color purple dito. So, yung palette, it was called Heavy Metals Metallic Eyeshadow Palette siya from Urban Decay. And yung ginamit ko na shade was called Spandex. So, nilagay ko lang siya ulit sa may outer lid and then blend ko lang siya with Heartbreaker and BFF. So, for the eyelashes, ang gagamitin kong mascara is from Too Faced and it's called Better Than Sex. And ito lagi kong ginagamit na mascara actually. And I also have the waterproof version. Pero mas prefer ko talaga itong original. Then, curl lang natin yung eyelashes natin. And ginagamit ko tong eyelash curler from Revlon. And then, yung eyeliner na gagamitin ko is from L'Oreal. It's the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner. So, hindi ako maglalagay ng wing. Ilaline ko lang yung upper lash line ko. And then, magagamit lang tayo ng eyeliner. And this one is from Urban Decay. So, tapos na tayo sa eyeshadow. And the next step is maglalagay tayo ng false eyelashes. And the false eyelashes I'll be using is from Velour. And it's their Effortless collection. And yung eyelashes, it's called Barely There. So, maglalagay tayo ng lip liner from L'Oreal. Yung shade niya is Nude. So, nilaline ko lang yung lips ko dito with this lip liner. So, for the actual lip color, we're gonna be using YSL product. Matte stain siya and it's in the shade number 8, Black Red Code. So, we're gonna put medyo red color kasi yung gamit ni Catriona gray na color sa lips niya was red. And super ganda ng gown niya, guys. Do you agree with me? As in, super winner yung gown niya, guys. And then, fix lang natin yung hair natin. So, ito na yung final look. Inspired look from Catriona Gray, Miss Universe Philippines 2018. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.